Traditional real estate agents in Canada don't want to list dilapidated homes in desperate need of renovations on the MLS. So as a real estate wholesaler, what you're going to specialize in is helping people who have distressed properties sell them to cash buyers, and you get paid for being in the middle. Without needing a real estate license, without being a real estate agent, you can get started with this strategy in the next 30 days. And the best part is that a real estate wholesaler makes 10% of the value of the property. So if you want to know how my students have been wholesaling real estate in Canada and the USA, go ahead, click on the link below. And if you're sitting there saying to yourself, why should I listen to you? Well, my name is Tony and I'm from Vancouver, Canada. And I've been using this remote strategy to find properties all across Canada and the USA and connect them to cash buyers and making $400,000 a year doing it. Go ahead, click on the link below.